Alright, I am in Arches National Park, Utah, and I am about to go see Delicate Arch, the most famous natural arch in the world. I have another video on the lower half of the park. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. But anyways, let's go see this arch. Here it is, the most iconic thing in the state of Utah. Delicate Arch. It's a 3-mile hike to get to the arch and back, and unfortunately I do not have time to do that. I was really hoping this visit I could do that, but I guess I'll do that my third visit. So I'm gonna get a little closer. You can go up to this viewpoint, so that's what I'm gonna do. Those are some interesting rocks. If you see that green, that is copper. That tree got screwed up. Even though this is the most famous landmark in the park, they don't make it easy to get to. It's a cool valley. This is a really big rock. I think I can see it now. I don't think I was supposed to climb up here. This is such an awesome view though. Look at this. There's the arch. Well, I'm a little closer now. You can see all the people who walk up to it. I'll get over there next time. Also, it looks really tiny from here. This area is called the Fiery Furnace. You have to get a hiking permit to go down there. I bet it's really cool. It's really colorful. You can see the different layers where it's white up there, and most of it is orange. Even though I can't go down there, I bet I know why. It's called the Fiery Furnace, because I bet it feels like one. From my understanding, there's a lot of iron in those rocks, and that's how it gets its color. The canyons actually cover a lot of area. And that area back there is the Salt Valley. This is one of the coolest and largest arches in the park, Skyline Arch. These are some cool old rotted logs. Oh wow, this is glorious. It's so cool. It's so weird out here. There's just these massive red boulders all over the place. Wow, it's just such a that big arch, all of the red and orange rocks, and the mountains. Well, that was most impressive. So now I'm at the end of the road, the Devil's Garden, and I'm having a picnic here. I got very lucky and got this table with all these massive rock formations all around. One thing that surprised me when I first came to Arches was that the landscapes are so amazing. It's not just about the arches. There's so many different geological features. Oh yes, look at all of that national park congestion. This isn't nearly as bad as it gets. This is the Devil's Garden trailhead. It goes to Landscape Arch and a couple other ones. Unfortunately, I do not have time to go hiking on it. There's several different arches on this trail. Alright, so that's going to do it for Arches National Park. I love this park. It's just out of this world, beautiful and amazing. I have other videos on similar national parks in the Southwest, so go check those out. And I have a bunch of other videos as well. Thanks for watching.